Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real World English, where we help you speak English with confidence. I'm Ben.
Hi, Ben. Hello, everyone. It's so good to be back. I'm feeling good today. I'm actually wearing a new sweater I just bought.
Oh, it looks great. Very cozy. You've been shopping then?
I have. I went to the mall this weekend, which is perfect because our topic for today is all about money and shopping.
A very practical topic. Everyone needs to buy things, so this is full of useful, everyday vocabulary. I'm curious to hear about your shopping habits.
But first, as always, we want to say a huge thank you to all of you for being here. If you enjoy our conversations, please consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us a lot.
And please give this episode a like if you're excited to talk about money with us. Your support means everything. Okay, Chloe, let's start with a big personality question. When it comes to money, are you a saver or a spender?
Ooh, that is a tough question to start with. I want to be a saver. I really do. But if I am being completely honest, I think I am more of a spender.
Really? What kind of things do you like to spend money on?
Little things. That's my weakness. I love going to a cafe and buying a nice cup of coffee. Or I'll see a book I want to read and I'll just buy it. I'm not very good at saving on a day-to-day basis. What about you? Let me guess. You are a saver.
You guessed correctly. I am definitely a saver. I get a real feeling of satisfaction from watching my savings account grow, even if it's just a little bit. I'm very careful with my money.
I really admire that. I am good at saving money if I have a big, specific goal. But for small, everyday things, it's just so easy to tap to pay.
That tap to pay is dangerous. It doesn't feel like real money. So let's talk about different kinds of shopping. What about grocery shopping? Do you enjoy it?
Ugh, no. Grocery shopping is a chore. It's something I have to do, not something I want to do. I try to be very organized. I go once a week with a very strict list. I go in, I get what I need, and I get out as fast as possible.
I am exactly the same. I must have a list. If I go to the grocery store without a list, I buy all kinds of junk food. I'll come home with 3 kinds of cookies and no milk.
Yes, the list is so important. But what about fun shopping? Like shopping for clothes or books or new technology?
I don't do it very often. Because I'm a saver, I think about a big purchase for a long time. If I want a new camera, for example, I will spend weeks reading reviews online, comparing prices, and making sure I'm buying the perfect one.
See, I am the opposite. I am an impulse buyer. That means I buy things suddenly, without planning. I saw this sweater, I loved the color, and I bought it in 5 minutes.
Wow, I can't do that. I would need to think about it for at least a day. So do you prefer shopping online or in a physical store?
It depends. For clothes like this sweater, I much prefer going to a real store. I need to try it on, see how it fits, and feel the fabric.
I'm the same for clothes. You have to try them on. But for almost everything else, like books or electronics, I almost always buy online. It's just so much easier to find the best price.
The convenience of online shopping is amazing, but I do miss the experience of walking around a real bookstore for an hour. It's so relaxing.
That's true. So let's talk about managing money. Do you have a budget? A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money every month.
I try. I have an app on my phone where I try to track all my spending. I am usually very good for the first 2 weeks of the month. And then, things get a little out of control. It's hard to stay disciplined.
I have a very simple budget. I have different bank accounts. One is for my bills, like rent. One is for my savings. One is for food. And one is for fun money. When the fun money account is empty, it's empty. I can't spend any more until next month.
That is so organized, Ben. That is a brilliant idea. I need to do that. It makes it so clear. So, are you saving for anything special right now?
I am. I'm saving for a new acoustic guitar. It's quite expensive, but it's one I've wanted for many years. So I put a little money in my guitar fund every month.
That's a fantastic goal. Having a clear goal makes saving so much easier. I'm saving for something big too. I'm saving for a vacation to Japan.
Wow, Japan. That's amazing. That's a great motivation to not buy that extra coffee.
Exactly. So, to help me save, I am always looking for a good sale or a discount. I love getting a good deal. Are you a bargain hunter?
Not really. I prefer to buy one high-quality item that will last for a long time, even if it's full price. I don't like fast fashion or cheap things that break in a year. I'd rather save up and buy one good thing.
That's a very smart way to think. I am trying to be more like that. Buy less, but buy better quality. Okay, last question. When you do buy things, do you usually use cash or a credit card?
Almost always my credit card. It's just easier, and I get travel points. I almost never carry cash with me.
Me too. I just tap my card or my phone. It's so fast. It's amazing how rare it is to use cash now.
Well, this has been a very practical conversation. Let's do a quick review. We started by talking about the difference between being a saver and a spender.
Then we discussed different types of shopping, like grocery shopping versus fun shopping, and online versus in-store.
We also talked about the importance of having a budget and how we are both saving for big goals. My guitar and your trip to Japan.
And we finished by talking about finding sales and using cash versus credit cards. We covered a lot.
We did. It's been really useful. Thank you so much to everyone for listening today. We hope you enjoyed our chat about money and shopping.
And now, our question for you is a big one. Are you a saver or a spender? And what is one big thing you are saving for right now?
Please leave a comment below and tell us all about your saving goals. We would love to read them.
And one last time, please don't forget